Honeydew melon. Now, repeat after me. Honeydew melon. Honeydew melon. Meaning: a honeydew melon is a sweet, round fruit with smooth, pale green skin and light green flesh. It is often eaten fresh, added to fruit salads, or blended into drinks. In a sentence, she sliced a honeydew melon and served it as a refreshing dessert. Here, honeydew melon refers to the sweet fruit she prepared. Let's try another example. The chilled honeydew melon was the perfect snack for a hot summer day. Now it's your turn. If you understand the word, comment below with your own sentence using honeydew melon. Synonyms. Some related terms for honeydew melon are melon, a category of fruits that includes honeydew, cantaloupe, and watermelon. Muskmelon, a broader term that can include honeydew melons. Antonyms. The opposite of honeydew melon would be none, as honeydew melon is a specific fruit. It doesn't have a direct opposite. Part of speech. Honeydew melon is a noun referring to a sweet green-fleshed melon. Subscribe for more words like this. See you.